going on, everyone? So I'm out here on a beautiful Saturday morning in SoCal. I'm happy to announce a new partnership with a company called 13 Supplies. They are a company that creates cleaning products for trucks, tractors, all sorts of things that get dirty and need a good quality cleaning. Thank you for sending me out this cool care package. Let's dive into it and see what they got. So 13 Supplies is based here in the U.S. It's an American-made company by Americans. So I like supporting not only local but American-made products. So let's get into it. So obviously got a nice coupon, a sticker which will definitely be going on the truck. Oh boy, all sorts of goodies. I'm guessing there's a cleaning spray. They hooked it up with a shirt. Let's go ahead and check this thing out. You know I like shirts. Oh yeah. This is going to be my 4th of July shirt. Check that out. There you go. For American Patriots by American Patriots. They are a big proponent of supporting our troops, and they are all about America first. Alright, oh my gosh. This is a lot of soap, guys. Clean Machine truck and off-road equipment cleaner. Check that out. Beautifully made. Let's see what else we got. Oh, got some more Clean Machine. So we got 4 of those. Let's see, we got some other bottles in here as well. Liberty soap. Okay, so this is their soap. This will be, oh, okay, non-acid cleaner and bug remover. Oh, this is gonna be perfect for all those bugs for when I commute to work. I drive past a lake and it's just my whole front of my truck gets peppered. It's horrible. So this is gonna be amazing, especially off-roading, getting all that grime off. Today we're going to be washing the truck because we just got back from the beach and all the salt from the beach is still sitting on the truck. It's been on there for a couple days. Came back from vacation, went to work, didn't have time to wash the truck, and so that's what we're going to be doing today, and we're going to put this stuff right to the test. I'm excited. You got Liberty off-road truck and off-road wash soap. Look at that. That's beautiful. I like their logo and everything. It's really nice. So there's 2 of those and I think 2 more. Yep, so there's 4 of those. Oh man, this is going to be awesome. Got a box here. I'm guessing this might be, let's see. Yep, their foam gun. They have an amazing looking foam gun. I like this thing. It was time for me to upgrade my foam gun too, so look at that. That looks amazing. I can't wait to get that soap in here. It's gonna look pretty cool. Alright guys, so let's get into it before it gets too hot here. It is already starting to warm up. Let's get this truck washed and let's see how this stuff does. I'm excited. Alright, so 2 to 3 ounces would probably be down to this bottom line here. Yeah, just a little bit more. Alright. And that's barely anything out of this bottle. That's going to last a long time. So I'm going to put the pickup tube on here. I like this one. It has a screen on it, just in case there's debris and stuff in there. Alright, so let's go ahead and put some water in this. Alright, there's our water. And then I'm going to add some to this bucket here for washing. and a little bit of added clean. I'm just going to do a small bit of that, just because she's extra dirty. All right. All right, there she is right there. That's on there. All right, let's get to washing this beast.
He's bad news, yeah, that's all anybody's ever said about me. And yeah, I like to cut loose and smoke too. You might think I chose this way of living, nah, but it chose me. You can hear me coming with a 6-2 humming, Guns N' Roses bumping through a 12 in the floor. I don't need me nothing but a spot out in the country. I smile when they say that I ain't me anymore. Ain't a thing changed round here but the money. You try to mix it up, but let me tell you something. Same liquor in my Dixie, same rowdy bunch with me. I'll be laid up in the dirt before you ever take it from me. So take the boy out the truck, take the boy out the mud, put him up in a...
Oh man, look at that. Woo. Ooh, that's silky smooth. Oh, I can't wait to use this stuff when the truck's all mudded up from a trail run.
Still trying to get them 40 stuck. So line them up, turn it up and keep it running. Say whatever you want, but I'm anything but new to country. Without a doubt, I've been around. Yeah, everybody knows my name when I show up now. And I've been from New York to LA and every place in between, but they don't do it like we do it in my hometown. Ain't a thing changed round here but the money. You try to mix it up, but let me tell you something. Same liquor in my Dixie, same rowdy bunch with me. I'll be laid up in the dirt before you...
Alright, so next we're going to check out the machine clean. We're going to go ahead and clean up the wheels and the tires so we can spray some simple tire shine. I use this tire shine. It's like a matte black. It's nothing too crazy, nothing too shiny, and it doesn't collect the dirt, which I like. So let's go ahead and
take it from me. So take the boy out the truck, take the boy out the mud, put him up in a PJ, he'll still try to get them 40 stuck. So line them up, turn it up and keep it running. Say whatever you want, but I'm anything but new to country.
So these wheels and tires weren't really too dirty to begin with. It's more of a salt layer that was on everything. But you could definitely see, or I could see, the amount of dirt that still came out of these wheels and the tires and even the wheel wells. Alright y'all, so that is it for this first car wash. Again, huge shout out to 13 Supplies for sending me out this little care package. And I'm excited to be teaming up with them for further washes. If you like the product that you saw today, go check them out. 13 Supplies, just like that, on Instagram. 13 Supplies Google search, and I'll have all the links in the description below. I'm super impressed with this. First time use. Truck wasn't too dirty, but you could tell that it did pull a lot of that road grime off of the truck. I'm stoked to see what it can do when the truck's super dirty from a trail run or from a weekend out. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time.